You're getting started on Apple Pages, so we need to look for this icon first. It's the orange background and the white pen there. So you open up Pages and you're presented with a screen like this. If you click the plus icon in the top right hand corner, it will take you to all the different templates available. There's heaps of templates here. Depending on what you're doing in class, you select the most appropriate one for you. For the purposes of this, we'll just go with blank. And we'll have a look at some of the key buttons that you're going to see when you're using Pages. So if you click on Documents in the top left here, I'm going to look at these buttons across the top left initially. If you click on Documents, that just takes you back out to the pages you were on. When you're in your document, the next button here is all to do with what you can see. So if you activate these buttons, you can now see the thumbnails at the side. If you select two pages, if you're working on a multi-page document, you can see multiple pages at once. You can activate the word count, and you can also activate the ruler, all very useful for viewing purposes. Next up here we have a table of contents. If you're producing a larger document, you can turn this on, and based on the titles you give, it will create a table of contents as you go along. And finally, this button here, the back arrow is simply if you've done something that you don't want. Let's just do this, and then you click back, it will get rid of it. Just a simple back button. To avoid all of your work having similar names, like you can see here, you're going to want to name each piece of work as you go. So by clicking on the name here, which is currently blank, tap on that, and you can see it gives you the option to rename. It's a good way for you to organize your work, and especially useful for students when they're working across different subjects. And you just click out of that, and you've named your piece of work.